Today we're gonna do a review of the Alpinestars GP Pro R3 gloves. I got those from Justin. I'm gonna put his link in the description. You guys should definitely check him out if you're in need of gear or parts for your motorcycle. Very responsive, great prices. He will work with you on anything you need, and just give him a try, guys. You know, tell him Thanos XGR sent you, and he will definitely help you out, guys. I ordered my stuff Friday through the whole pandemic thing. I had the gloves Sunday and my boots Monday. That's crazy. Anyway, so let's go for the gloves. So we have mainly goat skin leather gloves, kangaroo in the middle, and some cowhide. I've been driving with them every day, so they're almost like broken in, and I'm loving them. So the feeling I have on the grip, it's amazing. I hate when the gloves are bulky. This is, by the way, this is a main track glove. You can wear it outside, but it won't have like your daily, you know, there's no like touchscreen. You know, you can't, I mean, I can use my phone, basic stuff, type in an address on the GPS, answer a call. You know, I wouldn't try this on a text with these gloves, but hey, you know, do you. I like the accordion stretch right here. Like the GP, the R2s, it was up on the finger, and I guess it was useless up there, so they moved it, and now there you go. So it's so much better, guys, so much better. There's a lot of extra protection on this side. You can see the 3 different stitches of leather. But hey, you know, also accordion stitches back here. That feels so comfortable, guys. The gloves are amazing. They have 5 different colors. I got white, red, and black. This is from small to 3X. My hand is 8.5 inches wide. I got an extra large, and it fits perfect. As I said, it has to get a little more softer, but so far so good. The color, my back is red, so you can see here how true it is. It kind of it looks like a little orangey to me, but you know, hey, it's not. There you go. You can take a look from this one. So that's it, guys. There's a lot of protection, guys. The knuckles they feel really good. There is some venting here. It won't do much, honestly, but it feels really comfortable, and there's some extra padding to keep this up. But as I said, on the bike it doesn't really do much. You know, you won't feel any air going in. Like as I said, I'm loving the gloves. They go for about $260, I believe so. It's around that price range. The twos, and you want to upgrade, definitely go for it. If you're just looking for a nice new pair of gloves, highly recommended, guys. Again, hit up my friend Justin. You won't regret it. And let me know what you think in the comments, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll do my best to get back to you and help you out with it. Alright, that was a quick review. I've been trying to make a review on my desktop, but I just don't have it, man. Like, I really don't. I don't know. I think it's crazy. So maybe in the near future I will do something else, but yeah, that was my honest feedback from the gloves. I just love them, guys. As I said, that's it, right? Always ride with your gear. Stay safe out there. and see you all in the next video. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do. If you like the video, commenting really helps the channel, you know. It shows me someone's watching, and it always makes it better to interact through the comments. And let me know what I can improve, from the videos. What would you like to see? If you'd like to see something else, you know, I would really appreciate the feedback. And always stay safe. Peace out.